today is the open house at 1717 Peaceful in Belleair, and it's the most adorable property, built in 1927. It's got so much charm. I've never been in a house that had such that feeling of coziness. It's a little bit shy of an acre, but I just love all the details in it. And so let's go and have some lunch and take it out. So I wanted to give a shout out to one of my clients. It's awesome. She's on the bestseller list and on Amazon, and it's really a great concept. Letters to a Jerk, the no bull guide to relationships and living a life meant. And it's really great. Check out the book. I'm in the middle of it now. I didn't finish it, but I sold her house many years ago, and she was going on this awesome adventure, and I thought it was so cool to meet a young lady that was going to go by herself and just take a tour of that really spanned the globe. So check out the book. It's really awesome. Amy O'Meara, and I was really happy that I could help her start her journey.
Oh my God. Hey, Kerryn. Oh, I have to stop because Kerryn, oh my God, I love you, Kerryn. Kerryn remembers when I started this journey. Kerryn, do you remember when I was selling my house to go find my journey to life meant? Well, girl, I did it. I already found the life meant, and guess what? Now I wrote a best-selling book about it, and I would love you to buy it for your friends, buy it for your sisters. It is so exciting. Go to letterstoajerk.com and find out all about it, girl. Oh my God, thank you for supporting me when I got this journey started. Kerryn actually helped me sell my house in Florida so that I could live and travel abroad. So much love, girl. You know, you were there when this journey began 4 years ago.
Let's see where we're going, baby. We're going to meet a client of mine who's a pilot and just flew into Tampa. So last minute, he wants to go look at a house that's basically a teardown in Belleair, but very difficult schedule that he has, so I'm trying to accommodate. Race out of the open house and go show him quick. So one of my clients is really interested in this piece of property, I should say, but the house is 1930s. It's been raining inside this house probably for the last 30 years, but there's so many little cool things in it. Like I would preserve the beams, and the fireplace is amazing. So we're gonna go in and check it out, and hopefully you can enjoy just a quick tour of a historical home. So exciting news this week, Clearwater Beach, once again, TripAdvisor #1 beach in the country. It's a little chilly today, hence the scarf, but still a little bit less than 60, but not 20. So every day when I wake up and I see the snow, I want to share that with people. I don't know if they promote that in New York and Chicago and Minnesota, that Clearwater Beach is the place to be. But once again, #1 beach in the US. During any one given day, we have to come home and check what's cooking for dinner, right? Let's check it out. Let's see. OMG. That is looking spectacular. Probably another 2 hours of that. I'll come home by my fireplace and have my scrumptious roast. I'm about to go have my roast and sit by the fire. But we had a great day. We had an awesome open house. Thank you to the Alonso family for having it looking so fantastic. Great fire, great candles. Thank you to Lou Santiago for getting me into that last showing. Oh, and look who it is. Somebody else wants to say hi. And just a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. And check out gulfviewliving.com. and see what else is going on.